So the Nifty breadth chart indicates that the reading of breadth is around 34% and low pole का low टूट रहा है यानी bullish pattern fail हो रहा है. I would say that when the breadth is oversold below the levels of 25, at that point we should be looking at. हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल बाय अपसर्च, जहाँ पे मैं मुक्ता धामनकर आपका स्वागत करती हूँ. आज डिस्कस करते हैं इस वीक में निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी ने कैसा मूव दिया और क्या कहते हैं निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के रेनको और पीएनएफ चार्ट अगले वीक. सो एनालिसिस करते हैं निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का यूजिंग आवर रेनको एंड पीएनएफ चार्ट्स. आइए देखते हैं स्क्रीन पे चार्ट्स क्या कह रहे हैं. सो निफ्टी ट्रेंड वी हैड डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट वीक एज वेल कि निफ्टी की ट्रेंड बेरिश है. सो एक सपोर्ट टूटने के बाद आप यहाँ पे शॉर्टिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटीज देख सकते हैं. फिलहाल यहाँ पे एक 4 कॉलम का बेरिश ट्रायंगल बना है और उसने डबल बॉटम सेल ट्रिगर किया है. द डबल बॉटम सेल हैज ट्रिगर्ड एट 23,458 and the targets which are open, which is a cluster count which you can see at 23,016 is what the target level is open once this breakout continues in the bearish direction. Now, important thing that we need to mark here is the daily chart where a major breakdown has started below the bullish 45-degree trend line. So if I see the daily chart of Nifty, I see that there is a 100% bearish pole and there is a follow through bearish signal or a sell signal which has triggered at 23,599, indicating the first target again towards the level of 23,085. So approximately a cluster count area in the zone of 23,016 and 23,085, which is open at this point in time on Nifty spot levels. So this is a spot level chart that we are looking at. If I look at the Nifty futures chart smartly resisting the bearish 45-degree trend line, a continuation pattern with a double bottom sell below 23,470, the futures trading at 23,518. would trigger targets on the lower side. So we have a horizontal count which is open for 23,235. At the same time, when I look at the Renko charts of Nifty, so 0.15% 1 minute Renko chart indicates that a continuation pattern below the levels of 23,329 shall trigger a continuation breakout in the bearish direction for targets of 23,189. So overall, the trend in Nifty, this is a spot Renko chart where we have the trend which is bearish. According to the double moving averages, it indicates that the trend is in the grip of the bears. A continuation pattern or a continuation bearish break where the swing breakdown happens shall indicate continuation in the bearish direction. Now, if I look at a little smaller brick size chart, I have an anchor brick and I have two bullish bricks which have formed at the end of the day. A continuation pattern with a two-back bearish pattern which triggers below the levels of 23,388 shall trigger continuation trend in the bearish direction for targets of 23,200, 23,100 levels on the spot as well. So if I look here with the Renko chart and if I check out what is the target which is open on the lower side, I see that a continuation bearish pattern, which is a two-back bearish pattern, which triggers below 23,388 on the spot, opens first target of 23,283. So overall analysis of Nifty on the Renko 2 time frames as well as the PNF chart indicates that Nifty is into the bearish grip. A continuation pattern below the levels of 23,350, 23,300 shall trigger further downside for 23,100 and 23,050 on the lower side. Strength in Nifty, if I look at the OI chart, the open interest chart indicates that there is resistance in Nifty around the levels of 23,500, 23,600. For any strength for the markets to continue in the bullish or reverse in the bullish direction, not continue, but reverse in the bullish direction, would require prices to break above 23,500 and 600 barrier at this point in time. If I check out the breadth chart of Nifty, so the Nifty breadth chart indicates that the reading of breadth is around 34%. So what exactly is breadth reading? What exactly are these PNF chart, Renko chart? There are wonderful videos that we have been putting up on the YouTube channel, wherein Upsurge is doing a wonderful job that we are creating awareness regarding these noiseless charts. तो हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मटेरियल पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ स्टडी पोस्ट कर रहे हैं. सो जुड़े रहिए अपसर्च के इस चैनल के साथ. अगर आपने ये चैनल पहले नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर ये चैनल को विजिट करिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और लर्न करते रहिए पीएनएफ चार्ट्स और रेनको चार्ट्स के बारे में. आगे जाने से पहले एक बात बताती हूँ. जैसे गेम के सिर्फ रूल जान लेने से जीत की गारंटी नहीं होती, वैसे ही नॉइसलेस ट्रेडिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट सीख के आप नॉलेजेबल तो बन जाओगे, बट प्रॉफिटेबल बनना मुश्किल हो सकता है. अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट मार्केट में अप्लाई करके एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर बनना है तो प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग इज अ मस्ट. मैं मुक्ता धामनकर अपने 17 साल की ट्रेडिंग एक्सपीरियंस के साथ लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए एक नॉइजलेस ट्रेडिंग गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम इन कोलैबोरेशन विद upsurge.club. इस प्रोग्राम के नेक्स्ट बैच का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. सो आज ही एनरोल करो और एक प्रॉफिटेबल नॉइजलेस ट्रेडर बन. चलिए अब वापस वीडियो में चलते हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं और एनालाइज करते हैं अब बैंक निफ्टी को. निफ्टी का एनालिसिस हम देख चुके, बैंक निफ्टी का एनालिसिस देखते हैं क्या कहता है. So Bank Nifty PNF chart, first let's have a look at the larger brick size PNF chart. If you see here, the last few double bottom sell has led to a breakdown below a low pole. So Bank Nifty is also weak. It is into the bearish grip here also. And Bank Nifty, if you are observing, is breaking down bullish pattern. So low pole is a bullish pattern इन पीएनएफ एंड लो पोल का लो टूट रहा है, यानी बुलिश पैटर्न फेल हो रहा है, एंड दैट इंडिकेट्स फर्दर बेरिशनेस. नाउ इफ आई लुक एट द लास्ट डबल बॉटम सेल विच हैज ट्रिगर्ड बिलो द लेवल्स ऑफ 48,844. currently spot is trading at 48,779. we have a cluster count at 48,480 and then a target at 47,544. On the daily chart, here also quite a lot of damage has been caused by the bears. We have bullish 45-degree trend line breaking down, a cluster count around the area of 48,400 and 48,200 is what we see at this point in time. So, Bank Nifty also into the bear's grip. 0.08% chart indicates that a double bottom sell below 48,614 shall lead to a further crack to the cluster count area of 48,600. Then 48,200 is the next target which is open as per the PNF. Let's have a look at Renko charts. Renko charts, a swing breakdown has already happened, and a continuation pattern or a swing breakdown happening below 48,844 has triggered a swing breakdown target of 48,335. So trend is definitely into the grip of the bears. Any upside or any pullback which may be possible because 0.08% Bank Nifty chart indicates a zigzag pattern which indicates a support area that should be used as an opportunity to sell Bank Nifty. So resistance overhead, if I check out 49,300, 49,500, the previous swing highs are going to pose a lot of resistance for Bank Nifty. and weakness or a continuation break below the levels of 48,500 600 level shall pull Bank Nifty down to further levels of 48,300 and 48,200. So a bearish grip again. If I see the Bank Nifty breadth chart, so Bank Nifty breadth chart is oversold. It has been oversold since past couple of sessions. In fact, right from the 7th of January, today being the 10th of January, we see that the breadth is oversold. But yet, prices are not reversing. We are still getting continuation bearish pattern. I would suggest at such levels when the breadth is oversold, there is going to be a video soon for breadth analysis, which I'm going to post sometime next week for understanding what breadth analysis is all about. So, for the viewers at this point in time, I would say that when the breadth is oversold below the levels of 25, at that point, we should be looking at shorting opportunities only in the intraday sessions. Fresh short opportunities, if you are taking, should be with a hedge or wait for the little bit bounce or prices coming back to neutral territory where we could again look at shorting opportunities. So that's all about analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week. Trade with discipline, trade with stop loss, point and figure charts, and Renko charts give us a objective edge and analyze the entry, stop loss, and the targets for us and helps us to trade objectively and gives us actionable trading ideas. I hope you like the ideas and stay tuned with the YouTube channel where we talk about the noiseless charts. Thank you so much for watching the weekly analysis.